Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix the file system error 1073741521 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the file system error 1073741521, then I will show you how to fix this issue. What you have to do, first just click on the search menu, then type here cmd. Right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Here you need to type the first command sfc space /scan now, then hit enter. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. After completion of this, then type the second command dism space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. After that, just hit enter. It will take some time. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix the file system error 1073741521 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.